Looking for a natural and affordable way to keep your home clean? Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to Simply Earth's Defender Essential Oil Blend. In minutes, you can make a DIY cleaner that fights grime and leaves a warm, spicy, clean aroma. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 2.5 tablespoons of natural solubilizer. This is going to help the essential oils mix evenly in the water that we use. It's also going to function as a surfactant to lift grime and dirt off of surfaces. 1.5 tablespoons of Castile soap. Castile soap is a plant-based surfactant. It's going to help break down grease and grime. It's also going to function as a wetting agent. This is going to improve cleaning effectiveness. 300 drops of Simply Earth's Defender blend. This is going to make your home smell really great, and it's a really great natural cleaner. You can cut this amount in half if you'd like a lower dilution rate. I like the full 300 drops. That's still a safe dilution rate, and it leaves the space smelling so fresh and clean. Need 3/4 teaspoon of GeoGuard preservative. It's the same as 0.13 ounces. It's always best to weigh out your preservative. Figure out how much preservative you'll need. You'll make your recipe, weigh it out, multiply that by 0.6% to 1%. It can be a range, and then add that amount to your product. Lastly, we're going to add 3/4 teaspoon of citric acid. This is a chelating agent. This improves the performance of all the ingredients in the recipe, making this a super effective cleaner. Lastly, you'll need 1 2/3 cup of distilled water. Distilled water works best for cleaning recipes because tap water has minerals and bacteria in it. Distilled water is going to keep your cleaner more effective and give it a longer shelf life. This recipe is going to fill up a 16-ounce spray bottle like this one from Simply Earth. First, we're going to combine our natural solubilizer, Castile soap, and Defender blend, and GeoGuard preservative in a small pitcher. You want to stir that well until it's totally combined. Next, we'll slowly add our water while stirring. Add the citric acid and stir until dissolved. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle, spray it on surfaces, and wipe away. Don't forget to label your cleanings. Let's test it out with Simply Earth's natural sponge. Wow, the aroma is incredible and it wipes away dirt and grime with ease. For more natural DIY recipes like this, check out the cheat sheet I have linked below. It goes into other natural ingredients you can use to make your own DIY cleaners, as well as recipes and more. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to take a look at the videos I have right after this. I